Welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy. My name is NP Kishore, Faculty of Anthropology. Today I want to highlight the features of our Anthropology Optional Classroom Program Time 1. So this program is intended for all anthropology beginners who want to prepare and strengthen their anthropology optional. So this is a foundation course which covers all entire anthropology syllabus comprehensively. Like if you see the program, see all topics are comprehensively covered. There is no question about leaving any topics. So comprehensive coverage of the entire syllabus, both paper 1 and paper 2. In fact, we also study some derived topics which are associated with the syllabus but are not explicitly mentioned in the syllabus. The duration of the class is for 2 hours and the classes are held from Monday to Friday. Saturday is left for revision and Sunday you have the weekend test. And the entire length of the course is 4 to 5 months. In exceptional circumstances, it may go beyond 5 months. Now, after each and every class, the student is given a daily answer writing practice. So, the topic which is discussed in the class will be given to the student as a question, and it is expected that the student answers the question after going home by revising the topic which is taught and then submit it the subsequent day. Online students can send it through our WhatsApp or Telegram. We take the printout, evaluate and send it back to you. So after daily answer writing program, you have this weekend test which is conducted regularly and religiously every Sunday. And this test is generally for 125 marks. So the topics which are discussed from Monday to Friday, the student revises them on Saturday, comes to the institute or takes the online test on Sunday. And as I said, this test is for 125 marks. After completion of a section or a unit, sectional tests are conducted. And after paper 1 is completed, then you have a full length test on paper 1, and as and when paper 2 is completed, you have a full length test on paper 2. So now these sessional tests are for 250 marks each. This is for 125 marks, and this daily answer writing may be a 10 marker or a 15 marker or a 20 marker. Now, to summarize, we are not only covering the entire syllabus, we are also making sure that you are practicing your answer writing by means of daily answer writing program, then weekend tests, sectional tests and full length tests. Now in this manner, during the classroom program, a student is revising the entire syllabus 4 times. This is quite essential to score high marks because classes provide you the conceptual clarity. Answer writing will strengthen your skills and competencies to write the answers within time and precisely adhering to word limit. This rigorous answer writing practice is quite essential to score more than 300 plus, and that is the prime objective of our Time 1 program. Now this is during classroom program, and in this classroom program every day we are also providing 1 or 2 case studies. This will help as a value addition and it will keep the student informed about the latest advancements in the field of anthropology. And a monthly magazine is also provided. The monthly magazine is nothing but the compilation of these case studies which we provide on a day-to-day basis. Now this is during the classroom program. After the classroom program gets completed, the student is given 6 reference books along with 2 case studies books. Now these reference books are quite essential to get a broader perspective and also to get various views and opinions. These reference books will help you to get more examples, maybe different quotes, jargons, verbatims, scholars of definition, and will give more perspectives. Case studies will keep the student updated about the latest advancement which can help in value addition. Now, post classroom, the student also is given access to 100 days mentorship program. So this program consists of daily answer writing. So daily 3 questions are given, and this question can be a 10 marker, 15 marker or a 20 marker or a combination of all these 3. Then you have mini tests which are for 125 marks. We have sectional tests which are for 250 marks and full length tests which are for 250 marks. So again, here also you can see there is a rigorous answer writing practice, and in these tests we are expecting that the student, apart from reading our class notes, also reads the reference books and will value add by means of case studies and present their answers. Now this particular thing will further enhance the skills and competencies of the students, particularly in answer writing, and increases the potential to score more than 300 marks. Now, after this program is completed, then the student is given access to 60 days mentorship program, and this is specifically conducted for students who have written their prelims and are awaiting to write their mains. So this is for 60 days, and this is between prelims and mains. Now here also you have daily answer writing, wherein you have 3 questions. Then you have sectional tests which are for 250 marks, and then you have full length tests which are for 250 marks. Now this program Tier 1 can be accessible both online and offline or in a hybrid manner. There is absolutely no difference between online and offline. Even the students who are watching the classes and preparing anthropology optional online has the same experience as offline. So there is no difference in online and offline program, and rather it saves lot of money for those students who would otherwise stay in Delhi, spend for their accommodation, food and other expenses. So there is also no difference in pricing between online and offline, because the same services which are offered offline are provided for online students also. We take utmost care for each and every student so that they have a good experience obtaining conceptual clarity and also through rigorous answer writing practice. Now, what if a student misses the class? Obviously, recorded classes will be there, and they can watch these recorded classes if the student by any chance misses the classes. And the validity is for 3 years, but this comes with certain restrictions. It is not like unlimited access for 3 years, whether the requirement is genuine or not, because there is absolutely no point of listening to the same class over and over again, because after listening once, I think 100% the student gets a conceptual clarity, and if any doubts are there, we will be handling them during the class. Offline students will ask physically, online students can ask their questions through the chat box which is available. So I can read those and I can clear the doubt. So definitely this program provides conceptual clarity, rigorous answer writing practice, value addition. By means of this, a student is able to strengthen their basic concepts, are able to develop analytical and applicative mind, and also are updated with the current advancements in the field of anthropology. So this is how this particular Tier 1 program becomes a one-stop solution for all the serious aspirants who are preparing anthropology.